Next is present perfect tense. The structure is subject and helping verbs are has or have, verb third form. We use has helping verb with it, and the third form of verb is rained. Sentence will be it has rained. In negative we put not with the helping verb. Sentence becomes it has not rained. In interrogative, helping verb comes at the start. Sentence will be has it rained. Next is past perfect tense. The structure is subject, helping verb had, and third form of verb, that is rained. Sentence becomes it had rained. In negative we use not. Sentence will be it had not rained. In interrogative, had comes at the start. Sentence will be had it rained. Next is future perfect tense. The structure is subject, helping verbs will have, third form of verb. Sentence is it will have rained. In negative we use not with the first helping verb. Sentence becomes it will not have rained. In interrogative, will comes at the start. Sentence becomes will it have rained. Next is present perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject, helping verbs are has or have been, verb ing form, and then we use time reference, and with the time reference we use preposition since or for. So sentence will be it, we use has helping verb with it has been, verb ing form is raining, it has been raining since evening. We use preposition since here because since gives the starting point of the action. It means कि शाम को बारिश होना start हुई थी, and this sentence means शाम से बारिश हो रही है. In negative sentence we use not with the first helping verb. Sentence will be it has not been raining since evening. In interrogative, has comes at the start. Sentence will be has it been raining since evening. Next is past perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject, helping verbs had been, verb ing form, that is raining, and then time reference. Sentence will be it had been raining since evening. In negative we use not with had. Sentence will be it had not been raining since evening. In interrogative, had comes at the start. Had it been raining since evening? Next is future perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject, helping verbs are, will have been, verb ing form, and then time reference. Sentence will be it will have been raining since evening. In negative we use not with will. Sentence will be it will not have been raining since evening. In interrogative, sentence will be will it have been raining since evening? So students, we have completed page number 57. Now note down your home task. Do practice of tenses in the AR. Take care and Allah Hafiz.